Apple Health app has received a notable health feature called Vitals in iOS 18 and watchOS 11. It is basically a collection of measurements such as heart rate, respiratory rate, and wrist temperature that are taken by Apple Watch while you sleep. Using these pivotal measurements, you can understand how your body is doing, and short-term changes can provide a clear signal that something might be critical and needs immediate attention before it's too late. That said, let's learn how to view detailed vitals data on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. To do so, first off, open the Apple Health app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. After that, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select Vitals to proceed. On the screen, you should see the detailed vitals data related to things like heart rate, respiratory rate, blood oxygen, and more. It's worth pointing out that you must wear your Apple Watch to sleep to be able to view your overnight vitals. Your metrics will be available after 7 days, and that's pretty much it. Do know that a number of factors can push your vitals out of your typical range, creating an outlier. Caffeine, illness, traveling to higher elevation, exercise, or alcohol are just a few of the factors that can affect your metrics. Keep in mind that Vitals is not designed to detect illness or a medical condition, so if you're concerned about a change in your health, make sure to speak with your doctor. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily view the detailed vitals data on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.